Alright guys, the mailman has came and I have trying to block my address because you never know. There's my name right there, guys. And we're gonna, it came from Club Cash Fund. So comes in this envelope here. You can see, guys, I'm walking right now to the house, going back inside. It's a beautiful day in Colorado. Let's see what we got. All right. Okay. Walking. Alrighty. Let's see what we got today. I might have to. Alright. Open up this envelope here from Club Cash Fund. Packed in here nicely. There we go. He folded up in a, you see this? Look at this. Cash money, baby. Cash money. So Club Cash Fund is proof. You're getting cash in your mailbox. Cash, tax-free money. And that's why it's blowing up, guys. So 80 bucks. Have a nice good dinner. And do whatever I want to do with it. Alright, guys. Y'all have a good one. We'll talk to you later, okay? Bye.